Introducing the new Workshop Scheduler, a web-based tool that gives you full visibility, providing a comprehensive way to manage your workshop needs. So what are some of the key features? Well, first of all, it's web-based. So whether you're working on the premises or remotely, this modern tool can be accessed anywhere and anytime on a web browser with an internet connection. Next, detailed information means better visibility. You can get information on your parts availability to understand stock and parts on order. You can also understand and enhance your engineers' workloads with various views to see their agenda on a monthly, weekly or daily basis. The new scheduler also gives you real-time updates. Maximize engineers' time and respond quicker to customers with status icons that tell you whether engineers are traveling, working, running late, finished early, and more. It doesn't stop there. Temporary job allocation allows you to quickly create a time slot for a customer without going through long processes, while alleviating mistakes made when details of a job are unknown. And lastly, take control with better filtering based on your priorities. Our advanced filter function allows you to filter jobs based on depots, departments, invoice types, priority codes, postcodes, and more. Start using Workshop Scheduler today to gain greater insight and effectively deliver an all-round cost-efficient service.